Good morning, children, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, had your breakfast?
Good morning, ma'am.
మీ ఉద్యోగాలు సరిపోతున్నాయి ఆయన
Ma'am, are we doing exercises?
No, we didn't complete still lesson, no?
And we should write the notes with diversity lesson,
should
ma'am.
write
Or else you will make us to write, ma'am.
Yes, wait. Let me complete lesson. Without completing lesson, and we'll leave in half and we'll keep on writing notes, huh? Let us complete teaching part first.
Video. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. We'll see.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's increasing
Ma'am,
slowly strength.
Malinath has a video. Ma'am is telling I did not have a video, but he has a video.
Ma'am, that time I joined in another device, ma'am. First class. Current
Okay,
was
okay,
on.
okay. Don't fight for anything.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is what we have to learn. In diversity also we are having unity. That is only our lesson.
Ma'am, mainly society.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Page
morning,
number, ma'am?
Nagadarshini.
Which page number?
I didn't open textbook. If you want. Civics first lesson above.
Ma'am,
1 second. Page number 148. Yeah. This we have started already in yesterday's class. Case study, first case study, Aryan read. When I was explaining, class disconnected. Second class, we have done project. So we didn't complete this. We'll complete this now. And here, yeah. And see here, children. We are having a case study from Kerala. And here, in Kerala is situated in the southwest corner of India, and that is Malabar Coast. And here, one side for Kochi, one side Kerala, one side hills will be, another side water will be. This also we have learned in previous class. And we also can see different kinds of spices cultivation in Kerala. There are pepper, cloves, and cardamoms. And here in Kerala, we are having different kinds of religions, children. Islam is there, and Judaism is there, Christianity is there, Hinduism is there, and Buddhism also. And Kerala people, they follow different types of religions in their life. And we also have seen they also, along with these spices, they also cultivate rice, cashews, and jackfruits also. And as we all know already, Kerala is very familiar. If we heard the name Kerala, first we think of coconut only first. They use coconut in every dish, right? Almost in all the dishes, food items, whatever they eat, they use coconut, because here coconut trees will be more everywhere. If you visit Kerala, you can find coconut trees everywhere. I have seen everywhere you can see coconut trees, children. So that they use here in our Hyderabad, in our AP, we use for cooking rice bran oils, otherwise vegetable oils, otherwise groundnut oils, otherwise sunflower oil. Like this, these kinds of oils will be using. But they use coconut oil for cooking also. They use coconut in all the dishes, and they also use coconut oil which we apply to our hair, right? We apply coconut oil to our hair. But Kerala people, they cook with coconut oil only. And here their famous and familiar festival is Onam. Onam.
Onam, ma'am.
Yes,
It's like a
in
new
this
year.
month only. In this month only. For them, Onam in this month only. Yes. And here, this is the harvest
And then like holiday,
festival.
ma'am.
Yeah, we get holiday. Namadina, don't worry. We get a holiday. 19th only Onam. Okay. Yes. See here, Onam is the
August is Independence Day, no, ma'am. Independence.
yeah, Independence Day. Independence Day also, Onam also in
Sunday.
this month only. Let me
Ma'am?
continue. Be muted, all of
No.
you. Don't ask me any other thing.
Ma'am, about the project.
At the end of class, I told you so many times. Yesterday, I gave you one full period. Ritvik, you said I have done already.
No, ma'am. I sent it in MCB, but it's telling not.
Okay, we'll
Not
discuss
found,
later.
ma'am.
Yes. If it
Ma'am,
is,
can I send in WhatsApp?
try it in MCB. If not, in case you can send me. If I give chance to send in WhatsApp, all will send in WhatsApp only. That is problem.
No, ma'am. It is telling it's not there, ma'am.
What is not there?
Ma'am, I already submitted. It is not telling that not found.
Okay, I'll check and I'll let you know. If it is not visible, you can send to my WhatsApp. Yes, Onam is the famous festival as we are celebrating Sankranti, Pongal as harvest festival. These people also celebrate this Onam as their harvest festival, children. And here, as you
Ma'am,
said
for the
yesterday,
Yugadi and for the Onam.
snake boat race also is very familiar here. Snake boat race. I'll show you next slide so that you can see snake boats here. Yeah, these are the snake boat children, and this is how
Boat
they
race,
have.
ma'am. Boat race.
Yeah, this
Ma'am,
is how
why?
they
Because
have.
they're called snake. Snake boat is because of the end, ma'am. Ma'am, the starting of the boat is like a stick, ma'am. That is why it is called a snake.
See, this is the snake boat, children, and these races are very familiar in Kerala. Yes. Can't you see?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now we can see. Ma'am, some disturbance
One
is coming.
second. Somebody unmuted. Somebody unmuted. Be muted. Yes. And see here, this is boat race, children, and snake boat race. And these are the items we get in Kerala. Here, cardamom, cloves, and other spices, pepper, all these we get in Kerala. These are the spices. Yes, and here this is their traditional dance. This is their, be muted, Damrinath. This is their traditional dance, and this is how they celebrate Onam festival. For Onam festival, this is not a new year for them. This is harvest festival for them. Harvest festival means that as we celebrate Sankranti, because Sankranti time we harvest all our crops. We get new rice and all those. So that after getting all the crops to home, people celebrate festival, that is Pongal. In the same way, Onam also they are celebrating, Kerala people. It's a harvest festival for them. They celebrate in August as Onam, children. This is how they celebrate. They arrange some flowers like this. See, flowers. They decorate their houses with flowers and they enjoy. And for in Telangana also, we celebrate one festival with flowers, right?
Ma'am, Bonalu.
Bonalu. In the same way, they also celebrate this Onam with flowers, children. This is the Onam festival. This is the dance of them. And here, this is boat race, and these are the spices they get.
Ma'am, in boat
This is
race,
about-
there will be so many members, ma'am.
So many people in one boat. Big boats will be more, small, not small ones.
And they will
Next.
conduct race, ma'am.
Yeah, boat race is very familiar. And that is about Kerala. And we are having one more case study also, that is about Ladakh. And here, Ladakh is located on the top of above Kashmir. And do you know Kashmir, where it will be? In our India map.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Jammu and Kashmir. Above to
Ma'am,
Jammu and
also-
Kashmir.
Ma'am, also they told that they are territories, no, not states.
Yes, and this Ladakh is located above to Jammu Kashmir children, and it is a mountain place. And moreover, we have learned in our previous classes, it is a cold desert. It is a cold desert, and here Ladakh is a cold desert and covered with snow throughout the year. They won't get any rain here in cold deserts, and in hot deserts we never get rain. If we get also, that will be very little amount of rain we get. Especially in cold deserts, we get rain in the form of fog only. Fog, morning times, in winter season, be muted. One second, Amma, Krishnaras, be muted, let me speak. In winter season, if you go out early morning, 4:30, 5 o'clock, fog will be outside. Right? Have you all seen? Yes or no, children?
Ma'am.
Yeah, that kind of fog only we can see in cold deserts throughout the year. And everywhere, all the mountains and hills covered with snow, children. This is Ladakh. Ladakh. It is a cold desert. It is the cold desert which we are having in India. In India, we are having only one cold desert, that is Ladakh only. We are having one hot desert also. What is that?
Thar desert.
Thar
Sahara.
desert. Who said that Sahara? Sahara is not in our India.
Ma'am. Ma'am, only Thar desert. It is so much small, ma'am.
Yes,
It is small.
Yes, be muted, children. Be muted. Good. Sahara desert is located in Africa, not in India. In India, we have Thar desert, that is hot desert. We are having only one cold desert, that is Ladakh. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, we have the Thar desert in Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, yes. And see, and here it is a cold desert. Ladakh is a cold desert and it is a hill place. So here agriculture is not at all possible, children. Then if agriculture is not possible, how they eat, how they get grains? Mostly people who are living in Ladakh, they depend on non-veg, meat and flesh they eat, and they also depend on dairy products like milk, cheese. All the products which we get from milk are called dairy products. They depend on non-veg and dairy products only for their food. They won't eat like us chapati, idli, rice, sambar. All these they won't eat because they won't get mostly. And here agriculture is not possible because it is a cold desert. No water will be everywhere. Land is covered, or hills only, mostly hills only will be. All these hills
Ma'am,
are covered with
Himalaya.
snow.
Ma'am,
Not
Himalaya.
Yes,
Ma'am,
like Himalayas, but it is different place. Okay,
Ma'am,
and
it is
here, moreover, yes, let me, and moreover, they live in tents only because, like nomadic people, these Ladakh people also, they don't stay in one place. They're not having any permanent houses because they keep on moving from one place to another place, children. Why they move? Because always here no cultivation
I'm
is
in one place.
possible.
If the food is over, they will
No,
go to
no.
another place.
No, Damarina, try to understand me. Let me speak. Not for food. Actually, nomadic people, they roam
Climate.
for food only. Let me. Don't guess. Don't guess. I'll tell you. Here, in search of pastures. Because here pastures means green meadows, green lands. because here cultivation is not possible. People depend on herding only, animal herding only. We know, we have seen so many times what is animal herding. Animal herding means taking care of animal. Here, Ladakh people, mostly they have animal herding only because agriculture is not possible. So those animals, they take care of sheep, they take care of goats, and they take care of ants also. And for these sheep, goats, and ants, they need grass, right? Here, everywhere snow will be, so that they won't get grass that easy. So in search of green meadows, in search of pastures, they move from one place to another. They get food, but animals, cattle, they also have to eat something. Na? For animals, grass, they move from one place to another place, so that they're not having any permanent houses. They live in tents only. And they also herd these animals like sheep, goats, and eggs. And goats also will be long, big goats. They're called Kashmiri goats. They'll be having long wool. Long wool. That is
I
what
mean,
they
they
are
have
saying
long
as
horns also, ma'am. Big horns.
hair.
Ma'am,
They said
mountain goats.
not mountain. They are saying Kashmiri goats.
ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, there's so many types in goats.
yeah, be muted, children. Be muted. Let me continue. Let me continue. My target is to complete this lesson today. Let me continue. See here, Kashmiri goats we can find here. Speciality of Kashmiri goats is they have long wool, long hair. That is long wool. The
Ma'am, our
long
goats
wool.
have.
Let me here, and this wool is very costly, children, and this wool is familiar as pashmina. Pashmina, we call the wool of goat there in Ladakh as pashmina. People weave with their hands only. They weave shawls with this goat wool, pashmina wool. They are very expensive. They are very costly, children. Too costly. And this is very special kind of wool. It will be very soft and shiny. And that is the specialty.
Ma'am, once can you show that goat, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why goats have
Can you
wool
see?
in their body? Ma'am, can you zoom it?
It is so small, ma'am.
It is
Ma'am, they are
totally.
like llama, ma'am. Llama.
Ma'am, can you zoom it and show, ma'am? We can't
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Llama
we
also
can't
they will call it, ma'am.
Yes, one
Llama.
second. I'll zoom it.
Llama. Llama. Means it will. Cheese means. Ma'am, it will be so tall. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Llama.
Yes,
Oh,
can you see?
ma'am, we can see. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that
Yes.
body with gum and sheep.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, sheep
These
that
are-
are rare goats.
Be muted.
Yes.
Be muted. We can see this kind of goats in Kashmir only. They are called Kashmiri goats. If you
Ma'am,
go
we can
there,
buy them.
yeah, here also in Hyderabad also, you can see this Kashmiri goat wool. You can see because we can see here also Pashmina or that shawls in shops. If you go out, you just ask them, they'll show you. They'll be very soft and shining also. That is the speciality of this goat's wool. That is called as familiar as with the name Pashmina. Pashmina shawls, sweaters. Yeah, and see here, children, and one more thing here, always they use caravans to move from one place to another because all are mountains only. They have to cross the mountains, so they use some road vehicles, road transport only. So to carry spices, to carry silk, to carry sheep and all those, for all those they use caravans only. in this Ladakh children. And many families in Ladakh, they follow Buddhism and they speak Tibetan language because they are very close to Tibet. And here, Losar is the festival. As we are celebrating Ugadi festival, New Year celebrations, they celebrate Losar. And this is the New Year for them. For Ladakh people, Losar. Losar. Losar is the New Year festival. And they dance, they have some celebrations on this occasion. They also they also sacrifice some animals to the gods on this Losa festival. This is about Ladakh children. Are you all clear? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And these are the goats. These are the big goats, Kashmiri goats. And these are the tents where they live. And these are the other animals. And see, and for, as I said, for pastures. That means green meadows. In search of green meadows, they just move for food.
Ma'am, it is not like green meadows, no, ma'am.
It is not that
It's
green,
like-
but they are eating something. Yes.
Ma'am, it is like
And-
sand, ma'am.
Yes, it is nearby water. Maybe you are looking like that, but they are eating. And see, this is the goddess where they celebrate Losar festival. Losar festival. Losar festival. Yes, that is about Ladakh. We have seen Kerala and Ladakh, both places. These both places are quite opposite, right? In one place,
Kerala is in south and Ladakh is in north.
yes, here geographical differences are there, climatic differences are there, cultural differences are there, religion differences are there,
But in one
language, yes, language
animal differences are there.
yes, in everything they are different, they both are different, but only one quality, these two are, they are also our Indians only. Both are very familiar for foreign people. If they come, they go to either Ladakh or to Kochi. They like
But Ladakh means what, ma'am? When is Pelbi, ma'am?
Friday. We have
Ma'am,
mentioned
but
along with the words only we have mentioned. Yes, that
Ma'am,
is
What is Kuch?
Kochi, Kerala. Just now we have learned now. Kochi is the city of
Ma'am,
Kerala.
there are so many dances, ma'am, in Kerala.
Yes.
Dance.
And see,
Not
yeah, now we have
there's
seen two different places, how their culture is, how their language is, how they are living. We have seen. Bilwa, be muted. Next, India, a melting pot. What is the meaning of a melting pot? I'll tell you. And see here, children, melting pot means that India is taking all the cultures into, and if they come from foreign countries, it is accepting their language, their culture, their habits, their food habits, everything. This Indian people as
near my house is from America. They came, ma'am.
yeah, and Indians.
Ma'am, why they kept melting pot?
Bilwa, be muted, I said.
Okay.
Now I am explaining this only. Now listen to me, you can understand. See, melting pot means that it is accepting all the differences, all the diversities of language and culture, everything. Whoever come from other places, it is accepting. Our India is accepting. Indians are allowing them. See, India is a melting pot of different cultures and different languages, traditions, music, art, and everything. And we are just accepting. We accepted. Is English our language?
Your voice, ma'am.
Is English our language, children? No. It is not our language. Even though we are accepting
international language.
yes, even though we accepted actually Sanskrit and Hindi are our languages, but we are accepting Hindi, we are accepting English also. Why? Because here in English is the international language. If we learn English, we will be the benefiters. So that we are learning like this, and from different
But Hindi
cultures.
is our language only, no, ma'am.
Hindi is our language only. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, but you said Hindi. We are learning Telugu is ours, ma'am.
No, I didn't say Hindi is not others. I said Sanskrit and Hindi are ours only, even though we are learning English. Even though we are having our own languages, we are learning others' language, that is English, because this is a international language. If
Your
we
voice
learn-
is breaking.
My voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am. Not at all. No, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Only it's breaking, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes
Yes. And last 13 minutes only. Are you getting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
clear.
Yes. Be muted. If you are muted, you can get some better. See here, children. Indians, we are accepting all the different cultures, different languages, different traditions, and all the different kinds of things we are accepting. So that only India is called as a melting pot. A melting pot means it will accept all the things into. And here, not only that, melting pot means some more thing. It is accepting.
Can't hear, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can hear, ma'am. Vaishnavi, Bilwa is not on unmute.
Be muted, Alanji
Yes.
children, so that you can get me better. Okay. I'm sharing again. Please be muted. Yes. Here, melting pot means that it is accepting all the.
Screen, ma'am.
You can't see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, you're also having network issue maybe, so that you can't see. They're getting maybe.
Ma'am. Vaishnavi has a problem.
Vaishnavi, be muted, Amma. Let me continue. See.
Now it came.
Yes. And see here, children, melting pot means that by accepting all other different cultures, we are creating a new kind of culture. For example, yes. For example, our dressing sense. Earlier, we are not having pant, shirt, and all these clothes. Yes, used to use dhotis earlier. But
used to wear saris.
yes, but nowadays we are using different dresses. Where from we got? From other places we got this. And by mixing with other cultures, our culture is becoming a new one. Our culture also is keep on changing, because some other people from so many different cultures, different places, they are coming and they are giving their culture to us. We are learning them, we are learning from them, we are learning their culture, their language, their food habits, their dressing styles, everything. We are learning and we are also changing our own culture. That is what is the meaning of melting pot. Our culture also is being changed. And here, foreign cultures have had strong impact on our land. And as I have told you already, all the foreign cultures, they are having their own impact on us. We are imitating them, we are learning some different things from them, so that we are changing our cultures. The best example is Adivasis came from Africa. They settled in Andaman Islands, and they came from foreign country Africa and they settled in Andaman Island, so that they can give their culture to the Andaman people. Andaman people also will learn this Africa's cultures. Like that, we are changing our culture. This is what is called melting pot children. And one more small topic is there to discuss, that is diversity today. Here diversities means how varieties, different varieties of culture, language and all those we are having in our India. How is our culture today? And here India is a multicultural society. Multi means so many different. Multicultural society. Now our Indian society become a multicultural society. So many different kinds of society, people with their own cultures, they are coming and they are living along with us, so that our culture and their culture mix together, and so that we are having and number of different cultures in our society. Even though we are having multicultural society, we are living so happily and peacefully, because we accepted all the diversities, we accepted all the different kinds of varieties. That is their culture, so that they are following. So it is my culture, I am living in this way. Like that, we understood in a better way, so that even though we are having multicultural society, even though we are living in multicultural society, we can be so happy. We are living so happy children. That is the first point. And second point is that people always they keep on moving from one place to another place. For example, and you know, in your relatives, so many people they might have settled in foreign countries, right? Yes or no, children? And
Yes, ma'am.
what they learn, children, they follow our culture along with our culture, because they born and brought up in India, so that
Ma'am,
along
English
with,
also, ma'am.
yes, along with
In so
our,
many.
yes, Bilwa, let me speak more. Along with our culture, they also may follow foreign countries' culture also. So how they will be? They are mixing Indian culture with foreign culture and they are living happily. So that one more new culture came out.
In America, they wanted Indo-America, there in Australia.
Yes.
India.
Yes, and slowly what's happening, our culture is being changed because of different places. People are coming, settling here, and we are going there, and we are also settling down there in foreign countries, so that culture is being exchanged. And we also learn to speak different kinds of languages, children. Like, for example, best example is English. And here we also learn some new skills also, which are not ours. And we go to foreign countries, we see them, we learn so many different things. That is for good only. And here, people from different cultural backgrounds may marry and have children together. And foreign people, they are marrying Indians. Indians are marrying foreign people. Like that, different culture people are getting married and they're having their own children. These children will learn Indian culture, foreign culture together. So they have something different, new culture. That is how our India is present. That is the diversity today. Diversity today means how is our culture in India today. And it is a slice from history. This is extra reading for you. This is there in your textbook, so that I took. Here, what they are saying is, when Britishers came to our India for trading in the year 1600, actually they came in 1600 only. That is what we have learned in previous classes. Yes, but they gave here 1599. Let it be 1600. They came to India for trading. What they thought first? British people, okay, in India we are having so many diversities. Their cultures are different, their languages are different, their habits are different, their dressing style is different, their food habits are different. So we can separate them very easy, they thought. So that only here British people, they tried to separate us. But are we separated by them? No. Even though they tried, yes, even though they tried, we didn't separate. Together, they tried to separate us, but we didn't be separated. We became one and we fought for our Indians' independence, Indians' freedom, and we became unity. We showed them our unity. That is the speciality of our India, children. Okay, did you understand what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is the speciality of our India. We are having one more small picture. This I have shown you already. Yes, this is, even though we are having so many diversities.
Yes,
ma'am, we
can see.
Yes, even though we have so many diversities, we are one only as Indians. We are all Indians. This is our lesson. With this, I have done civics first lesson. And is it clear for you, children? Any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. Then, when we get one more class attendance, yes. Where is mobile?
Ma'am, take screenshot, ma'am. We can't take.
Yes, I'll take screenshot only. Children, when we get one more class, today is Tuesday.
Ma'am,
Thursday
day
we
after
get.
tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday, ma'am.
So, not Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday we get class. So, Thursday we'll complete textbook exercises. We also write notes on that period only. So, Saturday we can start our new lesson. Okay, children? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Thursday we'll complete.
ma'am.
Saturday is holiday, na? So,
Notes, no, ma'am.
if we have holiday, be muted. If we have holiday
Okay,
on
ma'am.
Saturday, Monday we'll start new lesson. Okay?
Ma'am, I'll do it today only, ma'am. Yesterday I did science.
Yeah. But be muted. Don't fight. Krishnadas and Bilma, both of you be muted. Children,
No, ma'am, not me, ma'am. Tulsi, ma'am.
Tulsidhara, okay, be muted. And children, here today I'll send you notes to your WhatsApp group. It doesn't mean you have to write compulsory. If you get time,
Ma'am,
you can send it. I have sent yesterday, but I didn't say anything that you have to write or something. No. Today also I'll send you the notes. If you get time, you please write that. If you didn't get time, I'll share in the class also. You can write. Okay? Who is Tulsidhar? What is this message?
Ma'am, Bilwa is telling me talk to ma'am.
Who is that? Bilwa. Bilwa.
Yes, ma'am.
If I see again these kinds of messages, I just remove the class board.
No, ma'am.
Don't chat in class.
Ma'am, it's a very bad word, ma'am.
I know that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
We should not
Tulsidhar.
tell like that one.
And all the children I'm saying, if I see once again messages in chat, I'll just remove you from the class and I'll call your parents also. I'm not scolding you, I'm not being strict with you, na, so that you are thinking whatever you want, you can do. No, not like that. Because if all teachers are strict with you, you can't be that comfortable. So that some teachers will be friendly with you. It doesn't mean that you can do whatever you want. Don't misuse freedom. Yeah, I'll send you notes, children. If you get time, please write it. Otherwise, no problem. We can write Thursday. We can complete textbook exercises and we can write. Meanwhile, you read the text. Whatever the answers you get, you please write.